Okay, well, let me explain some equipment that we have from I.C.T engine for our project. So starting the SMT line, we have a magazine loader. After that, we have the transnational PCB loader, and this is, we can see the laser marking. Okay, after laser marking, we have the screen printer. So after the screen printer, we are the SPI machine. So we have a one reject conveyor after SPI. After the reject conveyor, we have the pick and place equipment. So after pick and place, we have a telescopic conveyor, and here we can see the oven for the reflow. Okay, so you can see it's a very large line that we have here. Okay, so after the reflow conveyor, we have a cooling conveyor. Okay, the next equipment, we have a vertical conveyor. As part of the first side, we have a AOI. Okay, after AOI, we have another reject conveyor that is communicating with the AOI machine. After reject conveyor, we have a buffer. Okay, it's a multiple buffer, and here we can see the flipper. This is a flipper equipment, and after the flipper, we have another buffer magazine. Okay, so here in this part, we start the second side of the line. This is the screen, the second screen of the line, soldering screen, and here is the second one, SPI. So again, we have the reject conveyor that is communicating with the SPI, and we have another two pick and place equipment, and after the equipment, we have another telescopic conveyor and the second oven of the line. Okay, so finally we have after the Keller oven, we have a cooling conveyor, another vertical buffer, and the second AOI of the line. And after the AOI, we have the last equipment for the SMT line. This is a magazine loader, unloader. Okay, so all these equipment was installed by the I.C.T engineer. We have excellent support from Peter, Allen, and Andy. So I really recommend it. All that this equipment has running normally. We have in process to validate the final number that we need to get in the project.